Everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. Today we're doing something different. I'm actually doing some very simple nail art for you because I wanted my nails done and I thought I would take you along with me. So first off, I'm going to put on my base coat, which I've been using the Orly Bonder rubberized base coat lately. I really like it. Dries super quick. So I'm going to put one coat of that. Of course, I've already prepped my nail. I've gone over it with some nail polish remover to make sure it is super clean and ready for base coat to hopefully get the most longevity out of this manicure. Then I'm going to let that dry, and then I'm going to apply Orly's rose colored glasses, and I absolutely love this shade. As you guys can tell from the bottle, it's basically used up at this point and I need to replace it, but I'm going to do 2 coats of it. It's just going to kind of give me like this nice milky pink tone to my nail. I believe their intention was using it as a French manicure, but I'm not a French manicure kind of girl, so I'm using it this way, and I use it in a lot of like my abstract designs and everything. You guys have probably seen this in a bazillion videos from me by now. But I love it. It's like perfect in 2 coats, like the perfect consistency for me for this sort of design. So I've done 2 coats of that. Then I'm going to let it dry, and then I'm going to pull in this lovely glitter. I believe I actually used it in one of last year's videos. It's called Frost Smitten, and it's also by Orly, and it is like a rose gold glitter, maybe a bit more rosy than the gold tone, and I really like it. But I'm just going to be dabbing it on towards the cuticle part of my nail, and I'm just going to kind of drag it all over the place and slowly pull it down at the nail to hopefully get a little bit of a glitter gradation. On this nail that I was doing, I did get a little bit too much on the brush, so it maybe was thicker than I had originally planned, but at the same time it is super fun. You could totally change this up with any sort of glitter. Last year I believe I did a mix of silver and gold holographic glitters for like a silver and gold manicure, and it was really fun, and I might do that again this year because I'm really liking this simplistic look. So then I'm going to let that dry, and then I'm going to be using my Zoya's Naked Manicure Glossy Seal Top Coat. I love this one. It's super thick, super shiny, and it wears really well. And so far, it pairs really well with Orly polishes as well, which is great. So there's one coat of that on top, and then my finished manicure. I absolutely love it. The great thing about this one is that I feel like with the holiday season, we're doing so many different things with our hands, and I have a tendency to get tip wear fast because of all the wrapping presents, the baking, and everything. But because of this one having such a neutral color towards the tip of my nail, you don't notice tip wear as much, which is what pulled me to do this manicure now, because I've been filming so many videos with my hands in them lately, doing all these art videos, that I wanted something simple but fun and festive on my nails that maybe I didn't have to repaint often, maybe like once a week rather than twice a week, or when I'm swatching, you know? So that was the whole motive behind this manicure. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later.